Good morning everyone, my name is Nikita Singh and today's topic is Joshimath. Joshimath is an important place in Chamoli district in Uttar Pradesh. It is situated at the altitude of 1800 meter, and this area is close to the Badrinath shrine, which is a very important for Hindu. This area is also very close to Aulika Nagar. Aulika Nagar is considered as a very good place for skiing, and government want to promote this area as an international skiing. This Joshimath area is also close to India-China border, and from this area a strategic road passes of the Indo-China border. But in this area a subsequent land subsidence was found. Why it is happened? Because it is said that the Joshimath area was formed 100 years ago when a high intensity of earthquake came and the mountain means collapse, and they formed this Joshimath area. When after the 50 or 60 years the cases of a land subsidence found in this area, the people of this area blame the government blame the developer and the builders say that this area is collapsing because this area is only made up of the rocks. So but it is said that it is only this area is suffering problem only due to the government. Even government know that this area is not good, means Joshimath area is a high prone to earthquake area. Government know that this area is not so strong. Then why government always construct the hydropower plant, they construct the road in this area? Because we know that for constructing the hydropower plant, for constructing the road, high degree of explosion and drilling are done, and when high degree of explosion and drilling are done, then rocks go away from their place and the cracks comes in the houses or in the road. So we know that it is the work of the government to know the nature of the land of the certain areas and the certain place, and make the construction policy as per the situation of the nature of the land. Thank you so much.